Are we looking for 6.3 meters? Are we looking to travel 4? Are we looking to travel far? The packs that's on this, be it the light pack, the style pack, the lithium pack, or the cabinetry and the deal that we've built on the inside with these guys here at Globe-Traveller. This is the Pathfinder X on a 2024, 180 brake horsepower, and it's the automatic box. Guys, what's in here is a great reason to come in and see us here at IH Motorhomes. So what we have here at IH Motorhomes is a constantly revolving great selection on van conversions, coach builds, nice big A-classes and everything in between. Here at IH, all of our stock is here and it's show ready. If you know what you're looking for and you've had a look on the website and you're coming specifically for a vehicle, come and see us, pick up the phone. If you're just getting into it, not sure how it works, not sure what's going to work for you, you and a partner, you and the rest of the family, you can come and see the ever-changing selection that we've got here at IH and start to get a feel for what motorhoming's about. Start to get a feel for what you can expect from a 6-berth down to a 2-berth, and again, everything in between. So the first and foremost with our Pathfinder X is just look at this striking graphics package. The base model's absolutely right. It's 180 brake horsepower, and that's the automatic box. But if you roll up on site and even just park it on the side of the road, you're going to be turning heads, be it from the fantastic alloy setup the previous owner popped on. Those black alloys just look mean. Complementing this graphics package that wraps right round the vehicle. It's just a bit of class and it's right here. So as you walk up and into the Globe-Traveller Pathfinder X, you are greeted with a very contemporary feel. 2 travelling seats, there's a section here which becomes a dinette area. With these 2 turned round, you've got that great view of whatever you're parked next to. It's clean, it's clear, and everything in here has a purpose. So I don't know how often you can cook eggs sat on the end of your bed, but in the Globe-Traveller, it's all about this sectional, this spacing inside, and it's very clear. In the middle of the vehicle, we've got this built-in fridge freezer setup, matching in perfectly with the wood finish. We've got the usual couple of gas burners, we've got the mixer tap as well, and this great array of storage. There's lots of points, charging points, electrical points, and cabinets, using and utilising every bit of space which is in here. When the guys at Globe-Traveller put a vehicle together, they're thinking of maximising that base vehicle, and they do it to a T. So, fixed bed, and it's a fixed French bed. But not a huge cut-off here, so it does feel like a full double. There's not somebody getting shortchanged as far as having a bed underneath them. Underneath here, a huge garage. We've got the high roof, and that's just giving the whole vehicle this feeling of space in here. I'm a little bit tall at just over 6 foot, and it's nice not banging my head walking around in these vehicles. But what I love and absolutely adore about this, especially if we're going away possibly with a friend with bad manners or kids that just want to keep us up and be noisy. How many vehicles do you know at 6.3 meters that will absolutely and positively close off this back bedroom? That gives us our bathroom, bedroom at the back, and we've still got a double up front, which is very cleverly stowed away. So when it's not in use, we've still got this feeling of openness. But when we do need that extra bed, be it for kids or mates, it's tucked away above there, and it is still a double bed. That's 2 doubles for the price of 1. So the package on this, and the packages just keep coming. This is under 8,000 miles. 1 owner, and it's barely been touched. The extras which have been put on by the previous owners just upgrade it in a very positive way. Light package with the bulb bar. We've got a gas low system on this one as well. You will still have the manufacturer's warranty up to 2030. Cover from the manufacturer until 2030. That's on top of everything that we give you here at IH as well. This vehicle has got a lot going on for it, possibly a little bit more than you first realise. And I've not spoken to you about the lithium upgrade on here. It's got it all. And if it doesn't have it, man, we can stick it on for you here at IH. Come and take a look online, pick up the phone and give me a call. If you're looking for 4-belt, 4-berth on a 6.3 contemporary van conversion with that high top factory fit roof, might be one to come in and give us a call on.